Hi, this is Ken with WTI, and these are the Ensenior Ultra Thin LED lighting. I chose to put up only 4 of them on my living room on the highest setting, and I think it was just the perfect choice. The room is bright enough for whenever I need it, but I also have the option to have it dim it down, which is great. So I really love the fact that I can choose the mood of the room. Right now, I'm trying to show you how low they can go or put it on the brightest setting. On my kitchen, though, I decided to leave them with the brightest setting because I do need light whenever I'm cleaning or looking for some pots or washing dishes. They are just perfect for my needs. And that's my point of view.